Hello friends, just Kelly here. I'm Kelly and I am bringing you today another unveiling. This is a canvas from a company called By Life from Temu. It is a 40 by 50. It is a full round drill. It's got very sparkly canvas. Can you see that? You can see it's got some guide circles there. It has 26 colors. I paid $7.98 for it, but I just checked on Temu. It is now $30.50. I'm calling this Birds on a Tree. It's got lots of beautiful birds, and it looks like some dogwood on a dogwood tree. It looks like there's a little over here, a woodpecker, some bluebirds, a cardinal, a blue jay. Not sure what these are. A robin. I'm not sure what the others are. But I am really looking forward to doing this one this spring or early this summer. I just love birds. I love flowers. And I just love all these colors in here. So talking about colors, let's take a look at the drills here. Again, there are 26 colors. I did already check the stickiness of this. And it is, y'all know it's very nice and sticky. So, we have a train full of beautiful, beautiful colors. Let's start from the beginning here. And we have, oh, that's the end. That was number 26. So let me get to that number 1 that's on the list. The legend here goes numerical. So it's 1 through, oh no, I'm sorry. Let me take that back. Those are the numbers of the colors. So it goes 1 through 8, and then it goes A through Y. So that's our legend, and there's 2. You have 1 here at the bottom. This is on a polyester canvas. And then you have another one on this side. You have a thumbprint here. And another one on this side with the instructions on the bottom of how to diamond paint. As we look at the colors here, as I was going through these colors, there might be some that I might need to reorder on these colors because they are not really matching up to the DMC, even though there are DMC colors here. But you can see this first one is a beautiful, beautiful yellow, but it's supposed to be a very bright green. It is number 165, the DMC, and it's supposed to be like a bright spring green color. Next we have number 321, which is this beautiful red. Here we have number 350, which is a medium coral. We have, whoop, let me untangle it here. We have number 368 is a light pistachio. We have number 369, the very light pistachio. We have number 413, which is a pewter gray. And we have number 610, which is a dark drab brown. Number 640, which is a very dark beige gray. And a number 645, which is a very dark beaver gray. Then we have number 745, which is a light pale yellow. I just want to see the difference in those colors. This is more like a butter yellow. This has more of an orange tone to it. Then we have number 758, which is a very light terracotta. And we have number 813, which is a light blue. And then we have the medium blue, number 826 and 827, very light blue. And then 831, medium golden olive. And a light golden olive, number 833. We have 841, which is a light beige brown. And I love this color, this medium rose color, this 899. And this 926, which is like a gray green, a medium gray green. And then we, right next door to it, we have our light gray green at 927. Then we have our very dark blue. It's like a dark midnight blue, which is 939. We have some light desert sand for 950. We have ultra very light dusty rose. We have a very dark mocha brown at 3031. And at 3756, this is supposed to be a baby blue. There's not even a hint of blue on this. So I may reorder those drills as well as the first one. The rest are fine. This is 3842, which is a Wedgwood blue. So those are the drills. They are acrylic. They look, I'm not seeing a bunch of I'm not seeing trash in them. I'm seeing a couple of hitchhikers along the way. That's about it. Of course, the standard tray with a few extra baggies. Came with the kit. And this is my unveiling or my beginning review on Birds on Dogwood, a Temu company. I am looking forward to getting this done in 2024. In the springtime or early summer, I'm putting it down on my schedule. Anyways, thank you so much for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe, that like, and that bell so you can get notified every time I put up a new video. Thanks so much for watching this. God bless you all. Please leave a comment if you like what you like about these birds, or if you were to embellish them in any way, what would you do? Or when would you do this kit? Would you do it in the spring, in the summer? Do you know of an event that this kit might be perfect for? Let me know. Okay, God bless everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye now. Close. Oh boy. I can't stop my camera. It's still going. I'm not sure it's even recording. Oh, low battery. Oh, I hope it recorded.